Hey guys, Pete from London Camera Exchange, and we've come to Pennyhill Park in Bagshot to visit Sony today for their brand new announcement. Over the past 12 months we've seen amazing technology and Sony pushing the limits for photographers and videographers alike. I'd now like to show you their brand new A7 Mark III. Launched as the entry-level camera from this series and packing far more tech than you would have ever expected from a camera labelled as the basic model, Sony are really opening up the world of mirrorless full frame to photographers and videographers. A newly developed 24.2 megapixel back-illuminated CMOS sensor and the latest Barnes EX processor combined allow the Mark III to achieve a 2 times faster data readout than its predecessor. With detail reproduction and noise reduction maintaining the image quality, the native ISO range from 100 to 51,200 that's expandable to a whopping 204,800 leaves you worry-free and gives you 1.5 stop over the Mark II. We also see improvements to the dynamic range, giving subtle graduation from shadows to highlights at approximately 15 stops, with a more accurate colour reproduction straight from the camera. Capable of shooting continuously up to 10 frames per second with AF and AE tracking for approximately 177 JPEG images or 89 RAW. The Mark III allows for silent shooting at this speed, perfect for any sensitive shooting environment. The latest in-body 5-axis stabilization achieves 5-stop shutter speed improvement, reducing camera shake in stills and video. 4D focus seen in higher models of the Alpha series is now inside the A7 Mark III. With 693 phase detection points covering a massive 93% of the imaging area, allows you to selectively choose your focus area with ease. Sony have also borrowed features seen in the A7R Mark III with its reliable autofocus down to -3 EV and also IAF. This is a godsend to anyone shooting portraiture, fast changing subjects where you need their faces pin sharp, or even wildlife images. With a combination of phase detection and focal detection, the autofocus performs up to 2 times faster than the previous model, giving users a fast hybrid AF system that not only works in stills but also video too. Internally you can record up to 4K at 100 megabits per second, with full pixel readout meaning the A7 Mark III oversamples while shooting, giving you the full frame shot without cropping. Slow motion in Full HD is up to 100 frames per second and is also recorded internally. For anyone wanting to colour grade and post, the Mark III has S-Log3 as standard, or to save time on editing you can also shoot in hybrid log gamma for an instantaneous HDR workflow. You can hardly put this into a basic category of cameras even though it is entry level. The A7 Mark III should be seen more as a baby A9, giving users far more than you would have ever imagined. The results are clean, crisp and sharp, and the Mark III performed as Sony had stated. Simple things like a high quality body, deep grip, dual SD card slot which are both UHS 2 compatible, and a battery life approximately to 710 photos are all features normally found on much higher models. Sony are taking everything we know from an entry level camera and breaking all the rules. It's an entry level full frame CSC with 4K movie recording, 5-axis image stabilization, 10 frames per second continuous tracked shooting and so much more. Sony are really not holding back. For more information, check out the link below or head into your local London Camera Exchange.